All right, today's day 12, I believe, of the Rotican Note Rope to Profitability. I'm a little late today, but it's all right. No crazy news today. We're gonna analyze the chart real quick. Whoa, 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 wow, whoa, okay. Um, what is this? 300 points in one 30-minute candle is insane, and that candle just opened. That is, oh, actually, it didn't just open, but it's not even closed yet. Hey, well, that's crazy. Let's hope I can catch something today. Because I'm break even on the week. This is at 26.3 and this is at 51. So hopefully I can catch something. I need to have Trade of 8 ready so I can trade on both accounts at once. Let's see. I didn't even analyze. 186, 147, 164, two bearish indicators, one bullish. Not very much I can see from this, to be honest. Trend is bullish, however, we're very close to closing bearish. We have to see how this moves on the lower time frame and see if there's an SMT. New York lows are right here. Swept New York lows, didn't sweep New York lows, didn't sweep New York lows. So S&P 500 has an SMT. Now we got to see the 1 minute. Do we see any reversals occurring, right? I potentially see a reversal occurring. We just need to start disrespecting any bearish indications. Um, so for starters, this one, then this one, then oh, someone's on a walk this early. It's crazy. This one, we need to see a couple of indicators, and we actually disrespect two potentially. No, we don't, because we pulled back all the way down. We'll see off of this one though. It is struggling. It is definitely struggling. Ooh, okay, that's nice. That's actually pretty good. We're in the BPR now. Not really a BPR, but there is liquidity in the past. So let's see. Do we continue straight up? Or do we retrace and then continue straight up? Because what I want to see here is a retracement and then a continue up to break these highs. If we just continue straight up, I'd much rather see us hit 50%, hit some form of a liquidity zone, and then push lower. That's what I would like to see. But if we are able to make some retracements, just small, nothing crazy, simple retracements, we could very well see some bullish structure soon here. I'm not really targeting this first fair value gap right here. I'm much more targeting something around here, but if we can get into like the 50% here and we see a little bit of struggle, then we'll try to get in. But if not, if we see strength going bearish, I'd wait. There's the strength. It's actually kind of struggling. It was a strong move to fill this, but we kind of didn't push anywhere past it. I do need to see a bearish candle though. To see a bearish candle would mean an actual retrace, um, and actual bearish liquidity. And we need to see bearish liquidity. I can't just see a straight push bullish. We close within the fair value. Oh, just off of the fair value gap actually. I would still continue to wait a little bit, to be honest. This is a nice move, though. I could have gotten in on that close. Oh, wow, that's unfortunate. I wanted to push a little bit lower. Oh my god. We have no news today. Bear in mind. We have no news today. We're just moving. Oh my god. Unless... No, we don't have any Trump news. Give me something. Anything. No? Alright. Alright. No good retracement. Nothing good. Nothing that I would take, at least.
Crazy! Crazy hamburger! Crazy!
I don't know. I would say I'd still want to wait for a retracement of some sort. Because I'm sure we're going to go higher, right? Because, like I said, the structure that we were shown. But I want an actual good retracement into something. um, but we're kind of just tapping this 930, 830 level. Which, I mean, it's not a bad zone, but it's not the greatest. Show me something here. Yeah, we're still doing it. We're still just tapping this 930, 830 zone. We're not really pushing past it into anything. If we could close on the level, then I would be willing to wait for a oh, there we go. Come on. Into the 50. Into the 50. Into the 50. Damn, bro. It's really struggling to get anywhere. Okay, we closed on the 830 level. I want to be in the 50% of that fair value gap though, because I saw it tap it. I know we can get to it. A little bit more. Okay, so I'm in right there. Um, Stops I would probably put right here. Oh, fuck. I forgot I have two accounts. Yeah. Well, now that this candle is so freaking strong, I need to hold off. Oh, nah. Been waiting for an entry, and then this is what happens when I enter. Unfortunate. What am I targeting? This one I know what I'm targeting. That's all that I need. But this one's a problem one. I don't know exactly what I want to target here. I need a strong candle bullish. I need something strong here. Nice push. We don't even leave a good fair value gap. That's exactly what I needed. I need us to take out this high. I would take a partial of 2 here at this high. I need us to close above these levels here because these levels have been holding price back at this level a lot. But I really need price to push past it here. Because if we don't push past it here, it's going to be a really rough one. It's going to be a really rough one. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, we just... Oh, damn, it's going to be rough. Yeah. It's going to struggle a little bit. If we can close in the next 2 minutes, if we can have a bearish and then a bullish close, with the bullish candle not going past the bearish candle's low, I can pull up to break even. I might potentially wait just in case we do turtle soup. But if we can get that kind of a structure, I would be pretty confident. But it had to be within these next 2 minutes, or else I'm just gonna pull up to break even and wait for a different trade. I need a bearish doji though. I can't have a full bearish candle. Nice. Nice bearish doji. Now I need this next one to close bullish. Hopefully above these 830, 930 levels too. Seems to be struggling. Worst comes to worst, I can collapse from here, I think. No, I can't. I can't collapse anymore. Why can't I collapse? Okay. If we hit this, this isn't even that much. This is like $200 worth. There we go. First TP hit. Change that to 8. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted. Um, really thinking I do want this to be full TP. In all seriousness, I do want this to be full TP. Right? So I'd probably do 2 here. 2 here. 2 here. And then final 2 would be up here. This isn't even a lot. It's 212. Can we please push above these highs continuing? Oh, there's another fucking SMT that might suck the joy out of everything for me right now. Because Dow Jones swept New York highs, S&P 500 did not, and NASDAQ did not. It might actually suck the joy out of everything for me, considering we're moving bearish now. So strong bearish now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. I hate Dow Jones. All my homies hate Dow Jones. All my homies hate Dow Jones. All my homies hate Dow Jones. Oh my god, disgusting, disgusting. And now, again, this could potentially be a turtle soup, so that's why I'm holding this here, but it would just be so horrible. It would really just be so horrible. Close above the 938.30 levels. Thank you. Now, strong bullish candle. If I get stopped out here, it would be because of Dow Jones. And if that happens, unfortunate, not really much I can do about it. I'll just wait for another trade, or I just won't take another trade today. Account equity, I'm break even right now on the account. Total account, the whole account. Profiting today, technically, but not very much, to be fair. Of course, I still have tomorrow to trade, but I just don't like the way this week moved. This week was really rough. If we look at my analysis compared to what we've seen, Monday I said bearish. Monday we were bullish. Tuesday I said possibly we sweep long-term sell-side liquidity, but it's more than likely bullish. We ended up bearish. Did sweep the long-term or the sell-side liquidity, not the long-term one, but we swept sell-side liquidity, but we ended up bearish. Wednesday I said bullish, did get bullish. Thursday I said wild card. We are looking bullish right now. So I'm 2 for 4 right now. This is potentially my worst prediction week. Actually, 2 for 4 is actually insane. To be fair, we are in choppier markets, which is why it's so much harder to predict right now. Because if we see, we've literally been ranging. Of course, on high time frame, it's not a range, right? It's 2,000 points. But when you look at it like this, you can see we're ranging. We're in the same this leg. We haven't broken out past it, you know, and that's rough. It's a little rough. Did this one hit TP yet? No, it is close though. I don't know if this sell stop gets removed if I don't know. I don't think I need to be here, but okay. I think that's no. I'm still getting edged. Bertigi, it's 2 ticks. Come on. I think it's quite literally 2 ticks too. It's 4 ticks. Come on. Come on, bro. Oh, wait, no, I can just Nah, slippage, slippage. So slippage. I was gonna say I can just close it right here and be good, but slippage. That's why I add some because of slippage. I don't need to worry too much about it. Slippage and gas fees. My gas fees are like $3 though, to be fair. Some of my gas fees though are like $20, $30, which is kind of crazy to me. Brother, I hate this kind of price action. Okay. By this point, we're kind of following a stair ladder formation. So I just pull up a little. Just past the break even. That way, slippage doesn't. Slippage will put me at break even or around about break even unless we get like a 1,000-point candle in 2 milliseconds because Trump says we're gonna touch Iran again. But hopefully we don't have that. Okay, we're just gonna sit here and wait. I don't have my order filled sounds on, do I? I don't know. You guys probably can't hear it. I'm pretty sure I muted it because last time I recorded something, the audio from my computer was playing super duper loud. Oh, that should be it now. Yep, now I need to close this one. And we are... Oh, man, I got a little bit more than I expected. Oh, no, I'm good. 1560. Why am I ahead? 1700 then. I don't know. This is probably going to be a pretty long trade, so I'm going to be kind of doom scrolling for a large amount of time.
Facing a huge problem. In fact, one of my cars pulled itself out. So the Aventador, unfortunately, is not the smartest car. So the car is open right now, but it doesn't react. The key is inside of it, right here. Son of a gun. Yep.
That is not a nice move. We did touch into this order block back here, but that is not what I wanted to see from it. That is definitely not the move I wanted to see from it. But I'm not really tripping yet. Because the 5 minutes about to close on this level. If we close below that, it's gonna suck. But hopefully, oh no. Yeah, we just closed below that candle's high, which is gonna really, really suck. It's gonna struggle. What I'm gonna do, can I close half the position here? I'll close half the position and then turn this down to 4 just so I can see some profits, and then I will take these off. And then if this can close bullish, I will draw stops up to like here, here, or here, just so I can see some profits in the account, just so it's not as rough, you know? Okay. And then I'm just gonna let it run. If I get stopped out, I'm already in profit, so I don't mind too much. It'll only be about 500 profit, but if we do go up farther, I'll at least catch something a little bit, right? So at 4 contracts, we are at for 2 contracts it's $1. So we're at $2 per contract right now. If we look $2, that's 1,200. Wow, that's not a lot at all. And then this is 1,600. Yeah, that's really not a lot at all. uh yeah, so 1,600 would be the max that I can get from this. Maybe I should have held. Whatever, it's fine.
Right here. I'm facing a huge problem. Came back to Dubai.
Yesterday we had 111 missile shot by the Islamic Republic of Japan.
Huh? Islamic Republic of Japan.
What?
Excuse me, sir. Sir. Maria, Amira, this up.
Get some Chick-fil-A. You have to pump up the AMG. No, it's not. No. Let me see the tires, bro.
To be honest, I don't even care about the money at this point. I kind of really want to see this hit. Since I have bought an account, I have not hit a trade over 100 points yet. Every single time I've traded on paper, I have hit over 100 points continuously, consecutively, every single day. But then since I've bought an account and I've been trading on it, I have not made over 100 points. Look at it right now, I'm only at 80. That's crazy to me. That's crazy. Like, how have I not gotten a single trade over 100 points yet? So now at this point, I'm looking at this trade and I'm like, to be honest, bro, I'm just trying to get over 100 points. Anything over 100 points. I just want to see this trade hit.
This evening, I saw a little bit baby puppy that's just laying over here on the side of the road. Somebody threw him out in a blanket. And I've about seen him get hit by 4 or 5 different vehicles this evening, and I just couldn't stand to watch it no longer, so I turned around and came back to him here again.
Where's my dog?
I want to say, if you throw a little.
Yeah. 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 Oh, it's so volatile. Let's see if we have any Trump-Iran news. 5 hours ago. It's unclear if war is back on? Ceasefire is over? Oh my god, fresh fire rockets. This was 40 minutes ago. I don't care. Oh my god, fresh strikes rock the Middle East. I'm gonna rock your body all night. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, what a pullback. We're up to here now because I kind of don't want to sacrifice that much more. And I don't really want to wait, so if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But I will leave this position. Oh, did my position from yesterday get hit? Did I leave that one? I did leave that one. Oh my god, it did. No, it didn't. No, no, it did not. No, it did not. It did half of my position. I completely forgot about that. I forgot about that, though. Yeah, I might get stopped out here. Um, I didn't know we were having any any war stuff. 13 minutes ago. Uh oh, oh. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Be a good. Oh, okay. Unfortunate, unfortunate. It's fine. It's fine. I will still leave this up just to see if I eventually get the 212 points. But on the day, we're up about 900 on this account, I believe. 1,000 actually. We're up 1,000. That's not bad. That's not bad. I will not lie. That's not bad. But yeah, it's gonna be volatile probably. I just saw a TikTok on price gonna be volatile because something Trump said about the Iranian ceasefire and stuff. So then I thought, fuck, I gotta check it real quick. So I checked it, and clearly we want to be indecisive. So obviously market's gonna go back and forth, but at the end of the day, I do hope that price on this day still ends up bullish. I did say Thursday is a wild card, so it doesn't really matter to me, but I do want it to be bullish. If we do see bullish, it won't break the bullish trend just yet because this didn't break this low. We're kind of still consolidating, but that gives us a chance for us to continue the bullish trend on a Friday because I want Friday to be bullish, but it could just do jack shit. If I do take another trade today, I'll post it or I'll post the results. I don't know if I'm gonna record it, because I'm lucky too lazy to edit them together and splice and all this extra shit. Nah, fuck no. But it actually looks like I made the right decision on closing that trade there. Let me think. I mean, yeah, if I do take another trade, I'll just add the overall tally to it. If not, it's nothing crazy. But yeah, hopefully everybody had a good trading day. I had an all right trading day. Nothing too bad. I can't complain. Uh, and hopefully everybody has a good trading day tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day of the trading week. I'm on the account. I'm only up. Let me see. Oh, the account right here. 27. So I had 26,500, right? So 27 279.5 minus 26,500. I'm only up $779. So hopefully tomorrow I can actually catch a trade, but price has been very choppy and I haven't been in during market open times. If I were in during market open times, I still wouldn't have caught this shit. Maybe, right? Maybe. But I don't think I would have. I mean, London. I mean, potentially, because we did sweep London highs on NASDAQ and S&P 500, but Dow Jones, we didn't. Then we opened up. Yeah, we opened up going very bullish, actually. So I would not have caught this move going bullish, to be fair with you. Neither would I have caught this bearish move. Maybe, potentially, because we break structure here, and then we struggle here. And then close here, and then we pull back up to the rejection. I potentially would have been able to catch this bearish movement, but I mean, it's a really small chance that I would have, because I would have been groggy as hell. But I would have seen that SMT on the London highs. There is another SMT here, which is why I believe that we're moving a little more bearish. But I wanted to hold for bullishness just because I was very convinced that we could just make a false flag SMT. I still think we could potentially hit this 212, but whatever, right? So I will go ahead and do a recap later in the day. I'll give it like maybe 20-30 minutes. If I don't see anything, then I'll give it a few hours until like 3 p.m. But I've been like on top of my shit these past few weeks. Like, oh my god. I didn't say anything, bro, but I've been trying to get back in shape. I got my creatine and my protein. Been trying to get back in shape because I got my first payout, and I had some money to spend, so I spent it on some stuff that would help me do that. I've been doing my face care too. I don't know if y'all been noticing, but my acne was so bad. Right now, it probably doesn't look bad because this camera is like shit. But when I can buy a better camera, I will. Um, but yeah, now I'm getting better. I'm debloating too, and I bought a fuck ton of protein food. Um, I meal prepped for 14 meals. That's only 7 days, to be fair. But yeah, meal prep 14 meals. We are good, bro. We are great. But yeah, so hopefully everybody had a good trading week. I will post a recap later, and then I will see everybody tomorrow after that.